Welcome back to TeshKidFX for another GRT price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and before I get further into the technical analysis, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And by first giving you a recap of what has been happening here on the GRT chart, you can see that after seeing our low down there at around the $0.051 mark, we saw that one to set up to the upside. Then we started our 5-wave structure to the upside, having that as the first wave, giving us a peak at around the $0.2325 mark. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that fully maximized our minimum target area in the formation of that wave 2 that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and that gave me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which lies between the $0.1448 mark and the $0.0942 mark, which is the area highlighted here on the chart using this red target area. And having seen the formation of that wave 2, my primary scenario has been that we are now in the formation of this wave 3, where I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our minimum target areas. And I believe that micro Elliot wave count is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis and to give you the short-term expectations. Here on the 1-hour chart, you can see that after seeing our low on the 23rd of March, we saw that 5-wave structure completing the formation of that wave 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And this is what is going to give me the short-term scenarios here on the GRT chart, where I was able to come up with the minimum retracement area for that wave 2 by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. And that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which lies between the $0.1417 mark and the $0.1221 mark, which is the area highlighted here on the chart using this blue target area. And in my previous videos, I've been saying to you that I'm expecting one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2, where we have also been seeing this ABC corrective structure, having that as the wave A, then an overshooting wave B, and I was expecting that impulsive wave in the formation of this wave C to fully maximize our target area in the formation of this wave 2. And at the time of this recording, you can see that we now have a low in the formation of this wave C below the low for that wave A. And that now means that we have fully done the minimum that I was expecting this second wave to the lower side to do. And there are high chances that we now have the low for that second wave, and we are now ready for that massive pump to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And for it to also play out, we also need to continue holding within this blue target area. So as long as we continue holding within the blue target area, there are high chances of seeing that massive run up in the formation of that wave 3. But if by any chance we lose our blue target area and continue seeing further breakdown, then that would be suggesting an even more bearish scenario here on the GRT chart, where we could possibly get a reset of this higher Elliot wave count 2 within this red target area. And that now means that there are chances of seeing a low below the low that we made at around the $0.1057 mark in case further breakdown continues. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Continue watching that minimum retracement area in this wave 2, which lies between the $0.1407 mark and the $0.1215 mark, because we need to continue holding within it Also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 39 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in that wave 3. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross suggesting higher prices, so let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.